Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 16 June 2017. As per the NMDC, in a regulatory filing on Thursday, the total production of iron ore stood at 5.63 million ton in May 2017 as compared to 2.98 million ton in April 2017, rising nearly 89% month on month. Bharat Aluminium Company has reduced prices of its aluminium products by Rs 1000 per ton today. Hindalco also reduced the prices of its aluminium products by Rs 1500 per ton effective from 15th June. Zinc prices traded on LME are in a declining trend since early May. From a high of $2,698 per ton on 2nd May, prices fell to a low of $2,427 per ton on 7th of June, representing a decline of 10%. Since then, prices have gained by 4.59% to trade at $2,538 per ton. Zinc market is mostly dominated by the trends in Chinese economy. The decrease in Caixin manufacturing PMI in China from 50.3 in April to 49.6 in May confirms the drop in manufacturing activity along with decrease in employment, and therefore metals market is suffering. The zinc stocks at London Metal Exchange are decreasing, while North American demand is expected to increase in the future due to a boost in the construction and infrastructure sectors by the Trump administration. Falling zinc inventories along with the decrease in mine production is expected to result in higher prices of zinc in 2017. Kobe Steel, a Japanese aluminium and steel producer, is expanding its capacity to supply aluminium materials to automakers in Asia and America. The company is aiming to raise aluminium and copper segments pre-tax profit by 70% to reach 20 billion yen by 2020 from the current 12 billion yen. The company forecasts Chinese and Japanese demand for aluminium automotive panel and sheets to rise 6 to 7 fold by 2025 from the current level. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from the Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,800 per ton, while fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 22,300 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh are currently quoted at Rs 27,650 per ton, while at Raipur and Muzaffarnagar the offers have been recorded at Rs 24,000 and Rs 26,400 per ton respectively. It is expected that stockists will not be purchasing fresh stock until the implementation of GST, which would cause prices to remain range bound. In international offers, the Chinese origin aluminium ingots and foils are being offered at $1,978 per metric ton and $2,434 per metric ton respectively, FOB Shanghai port. Indian origin iron ore fines, lumps and pellets of various specifications are available at following prices, FOB Paradeep. Thank you for listening. Again, join me tomorrow for latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.